Imagination, the workshop of the mind. From Napoleon Hill's Your Right to Be Rich. Core message. Imagination is where your dreams take shape. It is the mental workshop where your desires are turned into actionable ideas and plans. Every invention, every success story, every fortune, all began in the mind of someone who dared to imagine. Key lessons. Imagination is the starting point of all achievement. Everything that exists today, bridges, businesses, technology, wealth, started as a thought. Your mind has the power to create realities by visualizing goals vividly. Two types of imagination. Synthetic imagination. Rearranging old ideas into new combinations, for example, business strategies, solving problems. Creative imagination. Receiving fresh ideas and inspiration, often from the subconscious or infinite intelligence. Man's only limitation, within reason, lies in his development and use of his imagination. Napoleon Hill. 3. Your desires must be fueled by imagination. Desire gives the fire, but imagination gives the shape. If you want to earn more, grow your business, or achieve something great, you must visualize it first. 4. Imagination needs action. Ideas are nothing without implementation. Imagination gives you the vision, planning and persistence bring it to life. Napoleon Hill's insight. The impulse, the desire, is given shape, form, and action through the aid of the imaginative faculty of the mind. Practical tips. Take 10 minutes daily to visualize your goals in detail. Write out your ideas and act on them quickly. Keep a journal of creative thoughts, even the wild ones. Believe that your ideas matter and you are capable of building them. One-sentence summary. Imagination is the engine of success. It transforms desire into action by giving your dreams structure and direction. Imagination is where your dreams are shaped into real possibilities. Every success begins as a thought in the mind. There are two types of imagination: synthetic, logic, and creative, inspiration. Desire becomes powerful when directed through imagination. Ideas alone don't create success. Action brings them to life.